Let me ask you something that might completely change how you think about your garden. What if the thing you built for privacy, the screen, the fence, the barrier, was actually the most beautiful element in your entire outdoor space? Not just functional, not just adequate, but genuinely breathtaking. The thing people photograph, the thing guests ask about the moment they step outside, the thing that makes your garden look like it belongs in an architectural magazine rather than an ordinary suburban backyard. That is exactly what we are exploring today. 10 privacy screen builds. Each one modern, each one designed with the precision and intentionality of a piece of outdoor sculpture. And every single one of them DIY. Before we start, I want you to do one thing. Think about your garden right now. Picture the thing you are trying to block out. A neighboring window, an exposed fence line, a busy road. And then ask yourself, what if that boundary became your garden's greatest design statement? Tell me in the comments, what are you currently trying to create privacy from? Because your answer will tell me exactly which build on today's list was made for your specific space. Chapter 1, welcome to Yard A&D Beyond. Hey everyone, welcome back to Yard and Beyond. The channel built on one belief that modern garden design is a genuine form of art and that every outdoor space deserves to be treated with the seriousness and sophistication it deserves. If you are new here, subscribe right now. Because this is just the beginning. Let us build something extraordinary. Build 1 Corten steel panel screen. Build 1 sets the tone for this entire list. Corten steel. Also called weathering steel, the material that starts silver gray and slowly, beautifully transforms itself into the most extraordinary warm amber rust patina as it weathers naturally outdoors. Deep amber, burnt orange, copper, bronze changing with every hour of light, glowing like embers at sunset, almost cinematic in rain. You cut or commission Corten panels to your required height and width, either solid for full privacy or laser cut with geometric or botanical patterns that filter light while still screening the view. Stand them in steel posts set in concrete footings. Then wait. Because over the first 2 years, the steel does something genuinely magical. Plant ornamental grasses at the base: miscanthus, stipa, pennisetum. The softness of moving grass against industrial steel creates one of the most sophisticated contrasts in modern garden design. Cost range $400 to £1,200 depending on size and pattern. Have you ever seen Corten steel used in a garden? Because the first time most people see it in real life, they stop walking and just stare. Tell me in the comments, would you use this build? Build 2 living moss tapestry wall. Build 2 is the one that takes your breath away. A full-height outdoor structural moss tapestry growing on a steel or timber grid frame covering an entire boundary wall in dense, living, deep emerald velvet. Combinations of flat sheet moss, cushion moss, and reindeer moss in varying textures and greens create extraordinary depth and dimension. The result looks like an ancient forest wall has appeared overnight in your garden. But here is the thing about moss that separates it from every other privacy solution. Moss absorbs sound. A moss wall does not just block the view. It genuinely quiets the garden. The acoustic quality of a space with a moss wall is something you feel in your entire body the moment you step into it. In the UK climate, outdoor moss walls thrive with minimal maintenance. In drier US climates, a simple misting system on a timer keeps them lush year-round. Cost range £300 to £800 depending on coverage area. Moss wall or not for you? Tell me honestly in the comments. Build 3 tensioned rope A&D timber frame. Build 3 is for those who believe less is always more. A simple framework of dark oiled hardwood posts. Between them tensioned marine-grade stainless steel rope running in tight horizontal lines approximately 10 centimeters apart from ground to top. Pulled drum-tight with specialized turnbuckles. The same hardware used on sailing boats. The tension is both functional and beautiful. The lines are perfect. The geometry is pure. Privacy is achieved through density from head on the rope lines create a screen that prevents any clear sight line through. But unlike solid panels, the rope screen allows air, light, and partial views creating filtered enclosure rather than hard blocking. Then, plant climbers. Star jasmine is perfect. Its dark waxy leaves thread through the rope lines, and in late spring it explodes in fragrant white flowers. The result looks like something from a coastal boutique hotel. Cost range £200 to £500. If less is more is your design philosophy, is this your build? Tell me. Build 4 mirrored panel illusion screen. Build 4 is the most visually intelligent screen on this entire list, because it does not just hide, it multiplies. Full-length mirror panels framed in matte black powder-coated steel designed specifically for outdoor use. Positioned strategically at your garden boundary to create the illusion that your garden continues infinitely beyond. Stand 3 or 4 large panels in a row along your boundary. Each one reflects the garden in front of it. Your plants appear to extend forever. Your small garden appears to double in size. And anyone approaching from the other side sees only their own garden reflected back, not yours. Angle the panels very slightly, just 3 to 5 degrees off perpendicular, and the reflection creates a disorienting, dreamlike continuation of space that photographs like something extraordinary. Cost range £250 to £700. If your garden suddenly appeared twice as large, what would you do with the extra perceived space? Tell me in the comments. This question always produces the most creative answers. Build 5 blackened timber screen. Build 5 carries a 400-year-old technique into the most modern garden design on this list. Sugiban. The Japanese art of charring wood as a preservation technique. Timber planks are burned with a blowtorch until the surface is fully charred, then wire brushed, sealed with oil, and finished to a depth of black that is unlike anything else in garden materials. Deep matte black with visible grain texture that catches light differently at every angle. Resistant to moisture, insects, and UV. The charring process preserves the wood better than any chemical treatment. Laid as horizontal slats with precise 3 cm spacing, the black creates a grid of deep shadow and light that functions as both screen and abstract geometric art. In the evening, with a single uplighter raking across the face of the screen, the textural shadow play is extraordinary. The screen becomes a living artwork that changes with every hour of light. You can do this yourself with a basic blowtorch, wire brush, and exterior oil. Cost range £150 to £400. Would you try Shosugiban yourself? Tell me honestly. Build 6 sculpted concrete block screen. Build 6 is for those who want their privacy screen to last 1,000 years and look better every decade. Decorative perforated concrete screen blocks in extraordinary geometric patterns, stars, hexagons, quatrefoils, abstract geometric weaves. Each block is a module in a larger composition that, when assembled, creates a screen that is simultaneously solid and permeable, private and beautiful. Stack these blocks in alternating courses using mortar to precisely your required height. The concrete itself is the finished, no render, no covering needed. And then this happens. Light. All day long, as the sun moves across the sky, the geometric perforations project their patterns as shifting light shapes across your garden floor. Stars, diamonds, geometric flowers. In the morning, the pattern falls one way. By evening, it rakes across your patio in long, golden geometric lines. Your garden floor becomes a kinetic artwork that changes every single hour. Cost range £200 to £600. Can you picture the morning light patterns this screen would project across your garden? Close your eyes for a second. Picture that. Is this your build? Build 7 vertical bamboo column installation. Build 7 is for those who want their garden to feel like entering an entirely different world. Black bamboo Philostachys nigra, the variety whose canes mature from green to the deepest, most extraordinary, matte black. Installed vertically in a row in a long, low concrete trough planter. The canes are planted densely 8 to 10 centimeters apart. They grow to 4 or 5 meters in height, creating a colonnade of obsidian pillars with a soft green canopy overhead. Here is the effect. You sit in your garden surrounded by these tall, dark, vertical lines. The visual noise of the outside world is broken into vertical slivers. Your neighbor's garden becomes abstract shapes and colors between black lines rather than an intrusive view. And the sound. Bamboo makes the most extraordinary sound in the wind. A hollow, resonant, percussive music that turns your garden into a sonic as well as visual sanctuary. Cost range $180 to £450. For those who need quiet as much as privacy, would you sit among black bamboo canes and feel the difference? Tell me. Build 8 Gabion Stone A&D Steel Frame Screen Build 8 has the most satisfying weight of any screen on this list. Literally, Gabion baskets steel wire mesh cages filled with stone, but the design detail that transforms them from industrial retaining walls into luxury garden art is everything. Use a single type of stone per basket chosen with real intention. Rose quartz pebbles glow pink in sunlight. Blue slate looks architectural and cool. White quartzite is clean and contemporary. Mixed flint is textured and ancient. Stack the baskets in a deliberate pattern, alternating solid stone sections with sections filled with larger decorative boulders for texture variation. Cap the top with a single hardwood timber plank, creating a surface that functions simultaneously as bench and garden boundary. In winter, the Gabion screen holds its own completely. No dead plants, no bare stems, just stone, steel mesh, and timber. Clean, architectural, and quietly magnificent. Cost range £300 to £900. The Gabion speaks to those who want permanence. Is there something in you that wants to build something that will outlast everything else in the garden? Build 9 Illuminated Resin Panel Screen Build 9 is the most forward-thinking privacy screen on this entire list, and the one that generates the most conversation every single time. Panels made from frosted architectural resin, framed in thin matte black steel, installed as a screen along the garden boundary. During the day, they appear as clean, minimal, slightly translucent panels. Elegant, simple, contemporary. But this screen is designed for the night. LED strip lights embedded behind the panels, completely hidden during the day, activate on a smart timer as evening falls. The panels begin to glow. Not harshly. A soft, diffused internal luminescence that turns each panel into a glowing element of pure light. Gentle white for quiet evenings. Warm amber for entertaining. Deep blue at midnight. After dark, your privacy screen becomes the light source for your entire garden. Your boundary glows. Your garden is lit from its edges inward. From outside, the glowing panels are completely opaque. From inside, they are simultaneously a light source and a work of art. Cost range £500 to £1,500. The premium build on this list. But nothing else looks like this. Nothing. Type glow in the comments right now if the illuminated screen is the one that just stopped your heart. Because it stops mine every single time. Build 10 Espalier Living Art Screen, and here we are. Build 10. Saved deliberately for last, because it is without question the most beautiful privacy screen you can build. Espalier. The centuries-old art of training trees flat against a frame, spreading their branches in precise, deliberate geometric patterns. Fans. Horizontal tiers. Diamond lattices. Belgian fences until the plant itself becomes a flat architectural living wall. You build a simple steel wire and post framework. You plant fruit trees, apple, pear, fig, or ornamental trees, Japanese maple, magnolia at the base. And over 2 to 3 growing seasons, you train every new shoot, tying it gently to the wires, directing the growth into the pattern you have chosen. By year 3, your screen is alive. By year 5, it flowers. By year 10, it produces fruit. By year 20, it is a living work of art that could belong in a Renaissance garden. An espalier screen in full spring blossom branches flat against the wall in perfect geometric formation covered in white or pink flowers is the most extraordinary thing in garden design. It never looks accidental. It looks like something that took tremendous care, skill, and love. Because it did. And in this age of instant everything, there is something deeply revolutionary about choosing to build something that reveals itself over years. Something that asks for your patience and repays it with beauty beyond measure. Cost range £80 to £250 for framework and trees. Plus your time, your attention, your love. Conclusion 10 builds. 10 completely different ways to turn the boundary of your garden into its greatest design statement. Corten steel that ages into beauty. Living moss that quiets the world. Tensioned rope with maritime precision, mirrors that double your space, blackened timber with 4 centuries of craft, concrete blocks that project living light, black bamboo that creates a Zen forest, Gabion stone with geological permanence, illuminated resin that glows at night, and espalier living art that reveals itself over years. Now I need one thing from you. Go to the comments right now and tell me your number. Just the number 1 through 10. The build that is yours. The one that made your heart do something when you heard it described. And if you want to tell me why, please do. Tell me what it is about that specific build that speaks to your garden, your style, your vision. Because this channel is a design community, and every comment below is part of a conversation about what outdoor spaces can genuinely become. If today's video elevated how you think about your garden, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to Yard and Beyond if you have not already, because the next video on this channel is going to show you something that will change your outdoor space completely. Until next time, get outside, and remember, the most extraordinary garden begins the moment you stop settling for ordinary. See you in the next one.